Welcome to RPT, Relaxed Playing Technique. I will make episodes about how to achieve relaxed playing technique. And this is the first episode. Follow the journey with me and you will improve your playing technique profoundly because relaxation is basic. I am Gunilla and I have worked as pianist, organist and piano teacher for many years. And I'm also the founder of the Suzuki-orgel method. So I have been teaching children the organ since 1998 and I have been teaching organists for them to become Suzuki organ teachers since 2001. I have learned from the best teachers in the world and collected my knowledge during so many years. So I have a variety of different skills. So it struck me, why don't I share my knowledge with you? How to accomplish relaxation, both for yourself in your own playing and for your students when you are teaching, both the piano and the organ. So I will give some advices every week. And I can assure you, if you start to practice and teach like this, you will achieve relaxation, both for yourself and your students. So, as the instructions say on the aeroplanes that you give yourself oxygen before you give it to your children, we start with exercises for your own playing. When you follow the steps in this exercise, you will make the nerve impulses from your brain to your fingers very quick, combined with total relaxation. And this will revolutionize your playing technique. This is like mindfulness. Sit with a straight back and neck, lower the shoulders, be totally relaxed in your hands, close your eyes. Start to think of the fingertips of your third fingers. Just focus on the fingertips for a couple of minutes. After a while it will start to tickle in the fingertips. Put your third fingers on the small A flat and 2 octaves up on A flat 2. Do like this to really feel the fingertips. Straight back and neck, low shoulders, upper arms hanging, wrists hanging, move the fingers to feel the keys. Now, give the impulse to the third fingers to make a gripping move and directly relax. Quick impulses with the smallest amount of energy. Grip relax. And directly after, check how did it feel. Was the gripping move quick and without force, and was the relaxing immediate? You should use the smallest amount of energy to make the gripping move, and the impulse to make the move should be 100 of a second, and the next impulse should be to relax. And in between the gripping staccato, reflect how it felt. Watch the next episode How to Continue and make it easy by clicking to subscribe.